What's up, guys? So I'm walking around trying to kill time while they're figuring out the truck. I noticed this particular dealer, which I've been going to for a couple years now, they're fully stocked. I've never seen this much inventory here. Everything down here is all Tundras. We have some Tacomas. Here's two new 24 Tacomas. What is that, Sienna van? Look at all these RAV4s. Holy moly. A whole row. Usually there's like 4, maybe 5 of them. These Tacomas, these are all used Tacomas. 21s, right, 23. It's a bunch of them. But like I've just never seen this much inventory here ever. So I'm kind of curious for the car people out there, if you keep on the scene, local dealerships, let me know. Let me know what state you're in. And if these dealerships are empty like they used to be, or if they're all stocked up now. I mean, post 2020, with all that havoc going on, it just seems like everything's changed. You know, how you buy vehicles has changed. The negotiation doesn't really exist for the most part. I mean, maybe some places you can get a deal, so to speak. It seems like these days, if you want something brand new, here's the price. That's it. There's no wiggle room. There's no negotiation. They have, 6 or 7 on lot. This literally maybe 3 in the whole lot. So it just kind of is what it is, But let me know. Let me know what the, what's the scene by where you guys live. So just curious. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. I will actually, before I go, I will show you, where is it? This one. Like this 2016 Tundra. This one's pretty cool. What's up, man? How's it going? Like the little poke there of all these Tundras. And I'll tell you what, I would get a Tundra in the future because I kind of like the idea of a bigger truck, but I would only get a 5.7, I think. I want a V8 in there. I don't want just like that one that I liked. That's got the V6. And I think it's just, I don't know. It's a big truck. It's a heavy truck. I'd want that traditional V8, Everything now is just turbo 6s, turbo 4s. It's all BS to me. I mean, I'm not going to get political, but there's a reason why they're pushing that stuff. And it's not because it's just the better option. It's all EPA laws and credits and all that kind of jazz, Which is not fair to me and you, the consumer. We get a product that doesn't last as long. And I know technology's changing, I will say that. I'm sure, the turbo-charged engine has been used for a long time in many, many vehicles, but I think they're pushing the limit. You got a big, huge, heavy truck. You're going to put like a twin turbo 4 or a turbo, 4? Come on. I don't know. Doesn't make sense to me, but I don't know. I'm not in the industry. I don't know all about it, so maybe there's something I'm missing, but anyway, just wanted to say, I mean, full inventory. I'm just curious. Oh, I like the 4Runner, the anniversary edition. That one's pretty cool. I do like 4Runners. It's just that was always out of my price range. That's why I didn't get one. But to be honest, I mean, I would definitely consider it in the future. Anyway, that's it for now. Walk around, enjoying my Monster, trying to kill time. I'll give you guys an update in a separate video on the windshield washer sprayer. They will be, talking to Toyota, like the main hub or whatever, and put in a case because, after repeated attempts to fix it, they just can't get it here. I mean, they're going to try something today, but I'll talk about that in another video. So that's it. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.